G'day guys, Grumpy Trev back again. Today, well, we've got a mini action cam. This thing's called the Firefly. It does 1080p and it's small enough to fit on your mini drones. So what we'll do, we'll whack it on the bench, have a quick look, and then we'll show you some video. This thing's pretty small. It's 24 by 24 by 32 and it's like 17 grams with an SD card in it. Give you some idea of size, there's a GoPro Session 5 for comparison. So it is pretty small. It fits on the mini drones really nice. Okay, it does come with a holder, which is pretty cool. I mean, at least they're giving you something that goes in your drone. But look, it's pretty brittle plastic. That's not going to survive a prang. So what you can do, if you go on, got access to a 3D printer, you get on Thingiverse, you can actually print out your own, and these fit in really well and gives it a little bit more protection. Slides in there really nice. And that's not going to come out anytime soon. It's got a 200 milliamp hour battery in it, which lasts about an hour roughly, and about 2 hours charging time. The file format in this is AVI, so it's not too bad. It does 1080p or at 30 frames a second, or 720 at 30 frames a second. So what we'll do, we won't stuff around anymore, we'll get it out in the field and show you a bit of video and come back to you. Well, I've got to tell you, that blew me away. I can't believe how good the footage is on this thing for 36 bucks Australian. Yeah, you heard me, 36 bucks. I think $27 US for memory. Finally, someone's got something on the market that's a reasonable price. Look, if you break one of these, you're not going to go crying, are you? You break a GoPro, you're going to be pretty pissed. So this is great value. The footage is really good for the money. Look, we're not talking. It's not a GoPro. It's it's 36 bucks, guys. It's the footage you get out of this, it's better than DVR, 100 times better than DVR in fact. Really liked it, and money in the bank. If you like it, I'll leave a link below so you can pick one up. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you don't like, give us a thumbs down. Catch you next time. Thanks guys.